So about 70 days ago, I decided to start a challenge where I invest $5 every single day into a Roth IRA. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an update to see how much money I made, how much money I lost, and pretty much all my investments that I have in this Roth IRA. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter and I am a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And I love talking about stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. Also, we have very exciting news. We have a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategies on how I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years in the stock market. We talk about how to find stocks, how to use technical analysis. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. So check it out. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off, and there's only about 6 spots left for that promo code. So make sure you guys check it out down below. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. Alright, so pretty much what I decided to do was to invest $5 every single day into a Roth IRA account. Now the reason why I want to do this is because a lot of people think you need thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started with investing, and that's not the case. If you're young like me, the great thing you have is time. And the reason why time is so important is because you can use something called compound interest. Compound interest is by far the biggest money hack of 2024. Now, what it focuses on is pretty much using time to your advantage and using compounding effects so you can grow your account even larger. Here's an example of compound interest. Pretty much if you had $1 getting a 10% return and you made 10 cents at the end of the year, now that next year, imagine if you got another 10% return. Instead of making 10 cents, you'd possibly make upwards of 12 cents. Then the following year, instead of making 12 cents, you'd make 16 cents. And it will slowly compound and grow it larger and larger and larger. Doing this is probably the biggest money hack, and it just takes time to use it to your advantage. Now let's talk about how much money I made from investing $5 every single day for about 70 days. So I made a whopping about $36 from this investment, and pretty much I have near and around $385, which honestly in my opinion is really cool. And my top investments are really simple. What I invest into is something called the S&P 500. This is where I put about 99% of my money into, and the reason why is it represents the top 500 companies in the United States. You don't have to manage it, you don't have to watch it, you get small dividends that will compound on itself, as well as I do invest a little bit into ticker symbol VGT. This is Vanguard's pretty much technology ETF, so it pretty much tracks the top technology companies all pooled together. Obviously, you'll have companies like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, all of them into it. But it's pretty much just like investing into all things tech, just at a cheaper price. Now, the reason why I'm only investing $5, obviously, as I make more money and I get older, I do plan on increasing that from $5 to possibly $10 every single day. But my mindset is this: if I can grow this account from $5 every single day, and on top of that, investing into the S&P 500 over the past 90 years has had an average return rate of about 10% per year. So if I can get 10% of my money at $150, I will have about $1.6 million after about 45 years, which is great. And I know people are saying, Carter, well, it takes 45 years to make money. Hey, I would rather have $1.6 million by the time I'm ready for retirement than not do anything beforehand. And obviously, this is just with $5 a day. As I get older and I increase it to $10 or $20, obviously that 1.6 million will go up in value. And the cool thing about this is if you get like 3% in dividends, you'll have near around $40,000 of passive income every single year that can pay your bills, pay your mortgage. Obviously that's down the road, but still, it's by far the best way to make millions at a young age. Now, the broker that I'm using for this challenge isn't some elaborate broker. It's honestly just Robinhood. Robinhood is by far a very basic beginner style broker. Now, the reason why I chose this one over other brokers is because it does offer right now a 1% match on your money, which is incredible. So you'll get guaranteed 1% on your money. Now, imagine over 45 years at 1%, that will add up to 20, 30 grand in literally free profits. On top of that, the reason why I chose a Roth IRA over a traditional broker's account is because a Roth IRA, pretty much in simple terms, it's a retirement account that offers tax-free retirement. Now, the reason why is because you put pre-tax money into it. Now, as you make profits in the stock market, it will be all tax-free. I do have a full video breaking down Roth IRAs. I'll put that down below so you guys can check it out. But overall, this by far is the biggest money hack of 2024. Don't overcomplicate your investing. Just keep everything as simple as possible, and you'll be in a great spot. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my swing trading course down below, and we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.